Welcome, everyone. Let's have some fun learning new words together. Let's get started.
M is for monkey.
Monkey.
Repeat after me. Monkey.
Monkey.
M is for moon.
Moon.
Come on, let's say it together. Moon.
Moon.
M is for mountain.
Mountain.
Repeat after me. Mountain.
Mountain.
M is for music.
Music.
Come on, let's say it together. Music.
Music.
M is for mother.
Mother.
Repeat after me. Mother.
Mother.
M is for mouse.
Mouse.
Can you say it with me? Mouse.
Mouse.
M is for mirror.
Mirror.
Repeat after me. Mirror.
Mirror.
M is for milk.
Milk.
Come on, let's say it together. Milk.
Milk.
M is for minute.
Minute.
Repeat after me. Minute.
Minute.
M is for market.
Market.
Can you say it with me? Market.
Market.
Fantastic work! You're getting better every day. Ready for a quick review? Let's refresh our memory.
What is this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey.
Can you name this?
Moon.
Moon. Moon.
What's this called?
Mountain.
Mountain. Mountain.
What is this?
Music.
Music. Music.
What's this called?
Mother.
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 What's this called? Do you remember?
Mouse.
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 What's this?
Mirror.
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 What's it called?
Milk.
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 What's it called?
Minute.
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 What's it called?
Market.
Market. Market. You were awesome. Keep up the great work. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.